Hi, in this Blender tutorial video, I'll show you how to make glow effect with Blender glow material. Let's start. We'll use default cube. Change the position of the cube to 1. Change the edit view to compositor editor. Enable the compositing node tree. Press F3 button on the keyboard and search for glare and add it. Connect image to image in both sides. Split the below side of the screen into 2 screens. Change the edit view to shader editor. Maximize the emission choice. Change the strength value to 4. Change the viewport shading to render display. And change the compositor case always. This was the glow effect with glare streak. We can change the streaks to bloom, although you can change it to ghost. Also remember that it works with Eevee and Cycle's render engine. You can change the glare color by changing the emission color.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.